Hello friends, welcome back to Striving Aspirants. Today I would like to show how to prepare a simple petty cash using Microsoft Excel. First we have to open the workbook named as Petty Cash Book 2020. Here we can see the book already prepared. Title is the Petty Cash Book 2020. Date, ledger folio reference, project or other references, voucher number, receipt and payment, particulars from whom we are receiving or to whom we are paying, also the narration or details regarding that receipt and payment. Then the amount we have to give, clear cash balance, receipt, payment and balance column we have to prepare. Their totals need to give. Regarding clear cash balance, this is all about the cash we are having in our hand. The formula is given here. Second tab is On Account 2020. This is to enter all the payments we are doing in the company. We have to give the serial number, date, voucher number, name of the person to whom we are giving the cash, the purpose of giving that amount, then the amount column. Now again coming to the cash book, the first tab, we are entering the transactions. On 1st April 2020, voucher number we have to give 2001. We are receiving the cash amount from XYZ Bank. We have to give the narration. Withdrawn cash amount and received 5,000 from XYZ Bank account. In the receipt column we have to give the 5,000 cash amount. Now the clear cash balance or the cash in our hand is 5,000. That is the petty cash is having 5,000 cash amount. Now coming to the On Account 2020. Here we are giving the payments made. Date we have given 1st April 2020. Voucher number 201. The person who are collecting the amount from finance office or the petty cash is Mohan, and he is collecting this amount is for office stationery. Amount is 500. Now he submitted the invoice on 2nd April 2020. Now the On Account clear balance we can see here 500. Now we are closing that 500. We have to give the additional note. Invoice submitted on 2nd April 2020 and the amount spent is 300 and the balance 200 is refunded. So we have closed the transaction here. So the On Account balance also gone. Now we have to come to the cash book 2020, the first tab again. Copy the transaction and enter in the main book. You have to give the voucher number 201. Particulars you have to give Mohan name. Then the narration is office stationery. We have paid the amount for office stationery. Only 300 we have paid. 500 he taken and invoice submitted for 300. So whatever invoice submission amount we have to give in the main petty cash book. The On Account book is only to know how much cash is taken and how much is pending to submit to the finance office. Now again the second transaction, voucher number 202. The person who is taking the amount is Arun. He is taking for drinking water for office. He taken the amount 200 and he submitted the invoice or the bill to the finance office on 3rd April 2020. Now we can see the On Account clear balance 200 here in the bottom. Now we are closing that 200, so the on account clear balance is gone. Now the invoice is submitted is only for amount or cash amount is 170. So balance 30 he already refunded. So this on account is already closed. Now come back to the main sheet, cash book 2020. Now we have to enter the transaction here, the amount taken by Arun. Voucher number we have to give 202. Purpose or narration is drinking water for office. Now the amount we have to give is 170 only. 200 he taken, but the invoice submission is only for 170. So whatever invoice submitted amount we have to give in the main sheet. Now we are going to enter a receipt. The voucher number is 2002. This time we are receiving from the owner's petty cash account. So we have to give in the particulars column Mr. A, that is owner's petty cash account. We have to give 10,000 amount that we have received from owner's petty cash account. Then again we come to the own account. We enter the next transaction on 3rd April 2020. Voucher number is 203. Bilal is the person taking money from finance office and the purpose is for vehicle maintenance. The amount he taken is 5,000 for the vehicle maintenance. Now the invoice is submitted on 10th April 2020. Now we are closing that 5,000. On account is gone already. We can see in the bottom on account clear balance is 0. Now the invoice total he submitted is 4,560. Balance amount he refunded. Now again we are coming back to the cash book 2020, the main sheet. We have to copy this transaction and we have to put in the main sheet. Now we have given the information. Whatever invoice submitted amount is 4560 for vehicle maintenance is put in the payment column. Now we can see the formulas in the own account. We can see the on account clear balance is 0 because everything is closed. When we enter any other amount, it will show in the on account clear balance again. So we can see in the video. So I have removed and the on account clear balance is gone. Again coming back to the cash book 2020. Here we can see the receipt is 15,000 and the payment is 5,030 and we have the balance amount 9,970. So this is all about the petty cash book 2020. Clear cash balance is 9970. Clear cash balance is 9,970 means that is the amount we are having in our hand. If we are adding any other amount, it will change, that we can see in the video. Now we can adjust all the size of the sheet as per our convenience. We can also add the rows according to the transaction increasing. Here I have only shown 3 examples of payments and 2 receipts. Again we can check the receipt column and the payment column. Also, other thing we have to note is that we can bold the receipt coming to the petty cash book, so we can understand or we can check the receipt easily. Also, while preparing this petty cash book, we have to prepare the table using header. So we can check according to our convenience. If we need to check any voucher, we can check that one particularly. Also, if we need to check the date, particular date, we can use this header. So we have to be careful that we have to add header while preparing the table for petty cash book. So we can check everything like particulars. If we need to check any particular receipt from bank account, we can select that one from the list and we can sort it out. So that's all about the petty cash book. I hope you got a simple idea regarding this petty cash book. We will see in the next video. Until then, it's bye from Striving Aspirants. Subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you. Take care.